Hey Anjali, can I ask you something?
Sure, Raj.
How's your English practice going these days?
Honestly,
You know I always want the honest answer.
I think I'm improving.
That's great!
But there's one thing that keeps confusing me.
Let me guess. Am, is, and are?
Wait, how did you know?
Because every beginner struggles with them.
Seriously?
Every single one.
I always stop and think should I say I is, I am, or I are? My brain gets completely confused.
Don't worry. By the end of today's lesson, you'll stop guessing.
Please tell me there aren't 50 grammar rules.
Zero grammar rules.
Really?
Today we're only using real life conversations.
That's my favorite way to learn.
Good. Close your eyes for a second.
Okay, they're closed.
Imagine it's your first day at a new office.
Hmm. New office, new people. I'm already nervous.
I'm already nervous. He smiles and says, Hi, my name is Rohan.
Okay.
Then he asks, Who are you? What do you say?
Um, I is Anjali?
There it is.
I knew it. I made a mistake already.
And that's perfectly okay. That's why we're here. Listen carefully. I am Anjali.
I am Anjali.
Again,
I am Anjali.
perfect. Here's your first secret. Whenever you're talking about yourself, use I am.
So never I is.
Never.
Never I are.
Never.
Only I am.
Exactly. Now let's practice. I'll ask you some questions. You answer using I am. Ready?
Ready.
Are you a student?
I am a student.
Excellent. Are you hungry?
I am hungry.
Perfect. Are you happy today?
I am happy today.
Amazing. See, you're already using am.
That actually feels easy.
Because it is. Now let's imagine another situation. You're sitting in a cafe with your friend.
Nice. I hope there's coffee.
Of course, there is. Your friend points at the waiter and asks, Who is that? What do you say?
Um, he am the waiter?
Almost. Listen carefully. He is the waiter.
He is the waiter.
Perfect. Now your friend points at a woman near the window. Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Excellent.
Wait, so with he, I use is.
Correct.
With she, also is.
Exactly.
That's much easier than I thought.
Let's try a few more. The coffee is hot.
The coffee is hot.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
My phone is new.
My phone is new.
Fantastic.
I'm starting to see a pattern.
That's the goal. Don't memorize. Notice the pattern.
I like that.
Now, let's make things a little more interesting. Imagine you're at the gym.
That's dangerous
Why?
because I'll probably be tired after 2 minutes.
Your trainer points at three people exercising. He asks, Who are they? What do you answer?
They is my friends?
Close, very close. Listen carefully. They are my friends.
They are my friends.
Excellent. Now imagine there are five dumbbells on the floor. What do you say?
They are heavy.
Perfect. Now imagine you and I are working together. How would you say it?
We are working together.
Excellent.
Oh, so we also uses are.
Exactly. We are friends. They are students. You are amazing.
Wait, you are amazing?
Of course. You're learning very fast today.
Thank you.
So let's stop for 1 second. Can you tell me the pattern?
Let me try. I uses am.
Perfect.
He, she, and it uses is.
Exactly.
You, we, and they use are.
Amazing. You're already speaking correctly without learning a single grammar formula.
You're right. We didn't even open a grammar book.
And that's exactly how English should be learned through conversations, not confusion.
I'm actually excited for the next challenge.
Good, because the next one is going to test everything you've learned. All right, Anjali, challenge time.
Uh-oh, I knew this was coming.
Don't worry. This time, I'm going to say some sentences. Some are correct, some are wrong. You just have to tell me if they are right or wrong.
Sounds fun. Let's do it.
Sentence number 1. I am ready.
That's correct.
Excellent. Sentence number 2. He are my brother.
That's wrong.
Why?
Because he uses is. So it should be he is my brother.
Perfect. 1 point for you.
Yes.
Sentence number 3. They is playing football.
Wrong again.
Fix it.
They are playing football.
Excellent. You're getting faster.
I think it's finally making sense.
That's what happens when you practice with real situations, not grammar charts. Imagine you're introducing your family to a new friend.
Okay.
I'll ask the questions. You answer naturally. Ready?
Ready.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Wonderful. Who is she?
She is my mother.
Great. Who are they?
They are my parents.
Excellent. Now point to yourself. Who are you?
I am Anjali.
Perfect. See, you just used all 3 words am, is, and are without even thinking.
Wait, you're right. I didn't stop once.
That's called progress. Now let's visit the office.
Back to work?
Just for a minute. Imagine it's your first day. Your manager introduces everyone. He says, "This is Sarah." What do you say?
She is my coworker.
Perfect. Then he points at 2 people. They work in the marketing department. What do you say?
They are in marketing.
Excellent. Then he smiles at you and asks, "And who are you?"
I am the new employee.
Fantastic.
That actually sounds like a real conversation.
Because it is. That's how English is spoken every day. Let's lock today's lesson into your memory.
Quick summary time.
When do we use am?
With I.
Perfect. When do we use is?
With he, she, and it.
Exactly. And when do we use are?
With you, we, and they.
Amazing. That's all you need to remember.
No long grammar rules.
No confusing formulas.
Just real English.
Exactly.
I honestly thought am, is, are would be difficult.
Most beginners do, but once you connect them to real conversations, they become easy.
I actually enjoyed today's lesson.
Me too. Now it's your turn.
Yes, we have a challenge for you.
Write 3 sentences in the comments. One sentence using I am,
One using he is or she is.
and one using they are.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
We'll read your comments.
And if you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Practice.
Because we're learning English together, one conversation at a time.
We'll see you in lesson 10.
Until then, keep practicing English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.